Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Let us understand the amazing health benefits of broccoli and 5 ways to eat broccoli. Broccoli can be eaten cooked or raw. Both are perfectly healthy but provide different nutrient profiles. Different cooking methods, such as boiling, microwaving, stir-frying, and steaming, change the vegetable's nutrient composition, particularly reducing vitamin C, as well as soluble protein and sugar. Steaming appears okay. Broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds which include carbs, protein, fat, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B9, potassium, phosphorus, and selenium. Broccoli contains potent antioxidants. The antioxidant content of broccoli may be one of its main boons for human health that offer health protective effects. Cancer prevention. Broccoli shares these cancer-fighting and immune-boosting properties with other cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Cholesterol reduction. Like many whole foods, broccoli is packed with soluble fiber that draws cholesterol out of your body. Broccoli can reduce allergic reaction. Research has shown the ability of camphorol to lessen the impact of allergy-related substances on our bodies. Broccoli even has significant amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known as anti-inflammatory. Bone health. Broccoli contains high levels of both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and the prevention of osteoporosis. Diet. Broccoli is a good carb and is high in fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, maintains low blood sugar, and curbs overeating. 5 ways to eat broccoli. Broccoli, a powerhouse of green nutrients and delicious flavor too. Here are 5 of our favorite ways to eat this tree-like cruciferous vegetable. Raw sexy, spicy broccoli. Just toss broccoli with a little vinegar and salt. Then fry garlic and cumin in a quantity of hot oil, add some pepper flakes and sesame oil, and toss with the broccoli. Let it sit for a few hours. The acid and oil partially cook the broccoli while still leaving it deliciously crunchy. Steamed. Probably the easiest way to eat a head of broccoli. You can steam broccoli stalks in the microwave quickly and easily. Serve with a little salt, vinegar, and olive oil. Roasting broccoli. Cut off the florets and peel the stems. Slice the stems on the bias into bite-sized pieces. Wash and pat the broccoli dry. Toss it in plenty of olive oil, your favorite salt, freshly ground black pepper and red pepper flakes. Spread the broccoli out on a baking sheet in a single layer and roast in a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes until crisp, tender and beginning to brown. Flip the broccoli with a spatula once halfway through to even out the cooking. Serve with freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top. With pasta. We have a little formula in our kitchen for quick dinners. That would be pasta, greens, meat, and cheese. All the food groups in one. This quick and easy pasta will start with the cheese's inspiration, rich and salty feta that can be paired with leftover broccoli. Throw in some sausage and you have got dinner. As a pasta sauce. Broccoli isn't just an addition to pasta, it can also be the sauce. A little oil and cheese transform steamed broccoli into creamy, delicate green pasta sauce. Pesto isn't just made from basil. You can use any kind of greens, or even, in this case, steamed broccoli. An economical dish of steamed broccoli into a creamy yet nubby pesto to toss with pasta or cooked grains. The broccoli will be sautéed with onion, garlic, and Italian parsley, and spun with lemon juice for a fantastically tangy and aromatic pasta dish. It's fresh, easy, and unexpected. It's really delicious and a great way to eat your veggies. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more nutritional videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.